Hong Kong International Airport. We already got our bags. There. That's our bags. We already got our bags. So right now, we're looking for our yung magpipick up sa amin papuntang hotel. So we already we in our package kasi meron na po kasi talaga tawag dito magpipick up sa inyo from here to hotel. Yun ang gagawin namin ngayon. Hahanapin namin yung driver. Bye! Okay, welcome to Hong Kong Christmas travel. So, siya yung driver. Uy, the Hong Kong Prince! Hong Kong Prince! Outfit check! Outfit check! Yeah!
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog. Hi!
Wow! Naka-Alphard! Alphard! Yan ang aming ride. So we are total of yan yung total of 9. So dalawa daw, isa 5 people, yung isa 4. Nausa day siya.
Sorry, nabidyohan. Masaya ako na nakita ko dito sa Hong Kong. Labis ko lang kinagagalak.
So, eto na yan.
Ano, ganyan.
Okay, Sir Justin Toys! Uy, mga artista ban yun! Artista ban! Ayan, inaayos na. Okay, thank you. What's the name of
Jason. Oh, this is you.
Shady Amelia? Name niya yung ginapinana.
Ito yung color.
So, this is our hotel. Ito yung Hotel Cozy Harbor View. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung anong malapit, ito po yun siya. Ito yung parang place. Ito yung makikita nyo. So, siguro may mga open dito. We will check later on kung ano yung mga malalapit once open. Yun. So, pasok tayo. So, ito ang lobby. This is the lobby. You can see it. Ito yung so, this is the hotel. This is the lobby of the Cozy. Yan. That's the lobby. So, we just came here at the Cozy Harbor Hotel. So, ipapakita namin mamaya later on kung ano yung mga malapit dito sa Cozy. So, diba?
I'm groggy.
Ito na, Hong Kong na. Ito na talaga, guys.
Ikaw.
This is the wait lang, besh. And then CR. Uy, wow. So, may hair blower. Yan. And then this is the bathroom. Shower lang. Walang bathtub. Complete of toiletries. Everything. And then, merong ito. Yan. Sakit. TV. And 3 bedrooms kasi tatlo kami. Yan. 3 bedrooms. Floor. TV. And then this is our view. Yan. Makikita nyo yan. Yan. Ito yung view namin for 3 days. So, yun lang. We're going right now. Saan nga tayo papunta, Lor?
Oh my God, I don't know too.
Nag-ano kami nito, parang bahala na. Saan kami pupunta. Yun yung tour leader namin. Nandun. Yun, yung tour leader namin. So, ito pala yung makikita nyo sa Cozy. Kasi, yan. Ganyan siya kaganda. Nga, malapit siya sa mga 7-Eleven. May McDo doon. Yan, Main Streets. Malapit siya ng mga stores, actually. So, yan. So for today's video is we're looking kung saan kami mag-dinner tonight. So I'm not quite sure kung saan kami, basta saan na to?
Mongkok.
Sa Mongkok. Pupunta kami sa Ladies Market. Ano ba talaga? Mongkok daw. Yes. Hanapan. The food court. Finally, we're finally here. No? So, there are a lot of foods here. Rosie wanted to eat. Ayan. Kasi mga maglayan. So, this is their food court.
Great.
Kalatag vibe lang yun.
Add one more.
Wag, hindi mo. Thank you so much. Dito ta kaila, sir. So, we're here at nasa banda. Nasa Mongkok pa rin kami. But we're just waiting for others kasi pupunta daw ng Victoria Harbor. Kami dito, para kami dito, naglilimos eh. Tingnan nyo naman. Tiyan, ganyan pa yung view namin. Nakaupo lang ng ganyan. Para kami naghihintay ng ayuda dito sa harap na ano. So, yun lang, guys. Actually, maraming magbilhan dito. May mga Cotton On, meron ding Watsons. Parang siyang BGC. Parang siyang BGC, no? Sa atin. Pero mas marami lang dito. Dito parang maraming meron din silang mga yung night market and everything. So, kind of nice. Dapat mahilig mag-shopping. Okay sa inyo dito na place. Yun lang.
Kasi palingaw tama to ang stop resort.
Jordan, maliit
guess where we are? We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. So we're about to go to the entrance. Binaba kami doon. Doon. Sorry. I have my like my water. That's why parang nahihirapan ko. Yeah, doon. Oh, here's our team. Wanna see our team? Ayan. So this is how big the Disneyland is. As you can see there. Nakakapasok. Ayan.
Hey! Going to Disneyland! Woo! Yan, nata sa Hong Kong yan, wala ta sa Taiwan.
Christmas travel goes to Hong Kong Disneyland!
We're here at Disneyland. Asaman mo?
Disneyland!
Hong Kong.
Dati sa team Salva lang.
Dati ginakot-kot lang ni Brent. Brent, dati ginakot-kot lang ni mo. A magical day. Tour leader.
Tara, diretso na ta. Paado na itong ride sa daan eh. Basi magtaas pila. Sir Chris na lang ko lang. Sige, nabigay ko ba asa na pa sa.
Nakakatod ko.
Tara, go. Pagharap ko pa.
Hey, here again in Hong Kong Disneyland.
Make a wish for the holidays. How does that sound? Okay, you picture Pam out like this. Now Elsa says, flurry. So we have to do our magic like this, okay? So we go really fast. Can you copy me? Really fast. And then we go. I am around chocolate.
What's your name? Brad. Nice to meet you. Thank you.
I love how excited you are. I think that's the first time you've been outside, please. That's all.
Do you sell ice?
Oh, cute, yeah. So excited.
Ngộ thôi, xin tặng tôi hình như
Bantay naman! Oh, kada lang ko. Kami Daryl.
what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da.
Sila na to.
Grabe.
Wala na water jacket to.
Sakit lang ito. Saan tayo ngayon? Saan tayo? Gentle Monster.
Gentle monster.
Picture. Ano, ano?
Hello everyone and welcome to our flight house. No, hi, We're so glad you're here. Today is
Very good. Now you try. How did you get here? Never mind, it's too late now. Hey, get back here right now. Good. Now, which way should I go?
冇啊嗱，應該喺邊一邊啊？你哋有冇見到貓兒嘅神偷咧？不如咁啊，你哋一齊幫下佢啦！冇啊嗱，應該喺邊一邊啊？
This way or that way? That way, are you sure? Okay, thank you.
"就係咁，有大海嘅幫忙，莫阿娜終於嚟到貓兒個島啦！
Maui. Maui! Do you see him here, Hey Hey?
嘿，我就係貓兒，手撕雞。
And I am Moana of Watanui. You will board my boat and restore the heart of Te Fiti.